All right, Bob Wilkes here, and today we're going to do an unboxing video. This is our brand new product we've just brought in. This is to help you guys do your wood removal or removal of any material that happens to be in your expansion joints. This is a Pry Bar set. These are were made for us. They're imported from India, and well, let's get right at it. I mean, you can see from the box here that it's a long box because we're giving you a really long pry bar in here. These go all the way up to 36 inches long. You can see there's a set of 4. The biggest one is this monster. I mean, to give you an idea of how big this thing is, I can practically stand up and chase a crack with this. You're probably never going to get this jammed into a slab. I mean, you have such leverage. So this is very unusual and a must-have. Then a little bit shorter. This will probably be the one you use the most. The tip's about 3/4 of an inch. It'll be great for 1x4. Nice length. And then a shorty. You'll probably work these down along the side of a board to get out large chunks all at once. So there you have it. These are all a powder coated steel bar. They are pretty straight even though they're not perfect. I noticed some of them have a slight bend to them. It's not enough to affect the functionality, but you know, if you're a purist you may not like that, but they will certainly do the job. These handles are molded on, and the manufacturer swears that we can beat the crap out of these and we will never break the handles. So Pry Bar sets, they're going to be available on the website and everywhere that Trim A Slab products are sold. And if you are thinking about installation, I would not do that without tools like this. These are absolutely the best tools for doing a wood removal Trim A Slab installation job. And I mean, they're very straightforward to use. You'll put the tip down at the depth you want, which is going to be about 1.25 inches for the 3/4 inch, and then you just start chasing it with a hammer. You'll splinter off large sections. The fastest way to get wood out, bar none, no pun intended. Trim A Slab Pry Bar set. Check it out on our website.